Launch CRP429 is a qualified and utilitarian diagnostic tool with fast and accurate diagnosis for the vehicle health status. Scan tool is equipped with a 5-inch IPS touchscreen, which provides high definition and high resolution for you. It is also designed with many buttons which allow you to reach the functions you want quickly. The full system diagnosis function and 8 useful reset buttons is the key that why CRP429 is superior than other products in the market. The reset functions are oil reset, DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake reset, steering angle calibration, IMMO service, battery maintenance system reset, ABS bleeding, and injector coating. CRP429 can be updated online with one click. Designed with a wide coverage of vehicles and a multilingual support, this diagnostic tool is a must for your auto repair and maintenance.